refuge in the porch. This is nuts, man.
Here's the damn storm lady. Watch what you wish for.
Ow! Wow, torrential downpour. What a deluge. A little soaked. That's freaking hail. We had hail the size of marbles. Unbelievable. This is just crazy. Look at this. Nobody will believe me. Sunny in Washington and pissing down hail in Simi Valley. Oh, man.
This is not hailing anymore. That hurt.